Don't push the gun away. Put it right here on your shoulder and keep it there. If you push it away, and then when it tries to recoil, it gives it a head start. It's like somebody trying to, if I was going to hit you in the arm, if I started right here, it would hurt a lot less than if I started clear back here. You follow me?
Just keep it in my shoulders like the pink one?
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Okay, now put it on safe. I'm going to stand. Oh, actually, you don't even need to stand it back up. Go ahead and just pop it again.
Same water bottle?
Sure, hit it again. You'll see when you hit it good, then it's perfect.
Ow.
Try it again.
That hurts.
You're pushing.
Again?
What you're doing is you're pushing it. Let's try to get this down right about there instead of this point. Okay. And I think that will help you a lot. You're good. Hit it again.
I don't want to try.
Okay, your call. Okay, Mom. See if you can pop